Hi, it's Dr. Elliot Hummiston again. Thanks for all of the responses we got on our last video. I'm really excited to go over things like this with you. So the overwhelming response was to talk about lip filler first, so that's what we're going to start with. Lip filler is one of my favorite procedures to do because the results are instant. My patients leave happy, and when they come back for their 2-week recheck, we're always really excited and they're hooked. So for us, our default treatment is to go for a natural look, okay? We're not looking to make your lips look huge. We're looking to make them look full and beautiful. And we can go for an enhanced look. If that's what you're looking for, we're happy to do that. But our default really is to start with natural looking lips. And by doing that, we can make the lower mid-face look youthful and beautiful. Contraindications are pregnancy and an allergy to any of the ingredients in the lip filler, which we go over with you at the time of your consultation. For most people, we have 3 different fillers that I primarily use. Juvederm Ultra is probably my favorite product. It gets a nice look, it's nice and full, it's got good consistency, and it's been shown to last a good long time, anywhere from 6 to 12 months, but I've seen it last even longer than that. So for bang for your buck, I really like Juvederm Ultra. However, if you want something a little bit more conservative and soft feeling, I recommend Reviness Lips. This is a really gentle filler, and both of these are hyaluronic acid. So if you're a first timer and you're just not sure how full you want to go, this is a really good place to start. If you're tried and true and you've done this a few times, Ultra Plus is a great filler too. It holds form better. It is a firmer filler, so some people don't like to feel that in their lips, but this also lasts 1 to 2 years. So it just depends on what you're looking for. There's another filler called Bellaterra Balance that I'll use occasionally for enhancements, but honestly, this is not my favorite filler. We don't get very long-term lasting results on it. It's more for enhancements and slight adjustments. Another big question is, how much does it cost? So that really depends on the filler. And here we only do 1 syringe per visit. If you're looking for more than 1 syringe in a visit, we're probably not the injection site for you. However, we can do more at the month recheck. So for fillers for the lips, they range from $500 to $650, but right now we do have a deal going on where it's $500 for any of the lip fillers that we provide here. Big thing is, how will I look afterwards? After your first visit, you are going to be swollen. In fact, I always laugh when people bring up the mirror and they say, I love how big they look, or how full they look, or they're beautiful, and I want them to look like that forever. I always know I need to add more at that point, because after about 2 days, your swelling will go down considerably, and after a week, that volume is going to decrease by about 30%. So I always tell people, don't love them or hate them for 2 weeks. We can always add more or adjust. How long will they last is a big question that gets asked. It really depends on your body. The box on these says 6 to 12 months. However, I've seen it last longer and I've seen it last shorter. It just depends on how fast your body breaks down hyaluronic acid. So for a general answer, I would say 6 months, but I've seen it last more than a year. The top question we get asked all the time is, does it hurt? And the answer would be yes anywhere else. They use topical creams or nothing usually. Here, we can numb you up completely. I'm a dentist. I numb the mouth all the time. It's part of what I do every day. So while you're getting your filler done, you will not feel a thing. It'll go faster that way, you'll have less bruising, and you'll be more comfortable in the long run. And I use an anesthetic that is short term, so the numbing will usually last less than an hour. I've had a bunch of clients come in who said they would never get lip filler again, and then they found out that I numb them, and it's included in the price. There's no extra fee for doing this. I feel more comfortable and you feel more comfortable. And those clients who hated getting their lips filled but loved their results now have an option for a pain-free injection. So if you want to get your lips done here, being completely numb is a huge perk that you're not going to find elsewhere. All right, thank you for watching our video. I hope I answered your questions, but if you do have more questions, put them down below, and I'll see you next time.